Hi guys, it's Balme again and welcome to my cooking show. I'm just kidding. So yes, for tonight's dinner guys, we're gonna have a lamb chop and I serve it with roasted potato and salad on the side. So yes, I hope you like this video and please check this and it's easy and and for sure your family gonna love this recipe. At saka sa mga bago dyan sa channel ko, I'm Balmy Taninas and yes, and I'm working here in Canada. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye. Alright, yes, break time. So first, I'm gonna do is for my roasted potato. It's the rosette potato. And yeah, as long as it's clean, if I roast potato, I don't need to peel them. Just as long as you wash it properly and so yeah, so you see, this is my potato, so I gonna boil them. As soon as the water boil, turn it off and drain it. It's the Maison gray sea salt. So it's like I soak them a little bit, and then the potato, after you boil the potato is already tasty. So for the roasted potato, so I just use, see, 4 pieces of garlic, big one, and you don't need to, just so, and then I'll put it here. This is my pan for roasting potato. See, and yes, the rosemary. Just so this is clean. I wash it already. So I just put the whole thing there, and there we go. Smells good. So yeah. So I just put the whole thing there. There. A splash of olive oil, salt, not much because your potato is already tasty, and a pepper. To make your roasted potato really tasty, you know what's the secret? It's the duck fat. So yeah, if you don't have duck fat, you can use if you don't have duck fat at home, you can use the bacon fat, or like when spoon of duck fat, and it's really good. I swear guys. Boil the potato. I put it here and it's 425 for like 30 minutes, and it's really good. So this is ready. See, look, it's gonna be look like that. So I parboil my potato and I put it here and it for like 25 to 30 minutes in 425 Fahrenheit roast. And now I gonna prep my lamb chop. So my lamb chop, it's just so easy guys. So yeah, wash your lamb chop and dry them off with paper towel, and then just put salt and pepper, but we use a special pepper on it. It's like the smoked pepper. And as for my lamb chop, that So it's only 4 of us, kids and I. So two each is perfect. Two each. I put paper towel on the bottom. Now I'm just tapping with the paper towel on the top. Oh my gosh, look at this. So guys, sometimes, you know, I really believe the saying, if you're cooking happy, the person who's eating your food is gonna be happy. Pero totoo yun. Yeah, kasabihan yun eh. Pag once na happy kang nagluluto, yung taong kakain ng niluluto mo eh magiging happy. Yeah. There you go. So you make sure guys, if you're watching this video and if you're trying to cook something, you make sure you're happy when you're cooking it. When you're soft, it's in the bottom. Woohoo! So it's all dry. There it goes. Look, we have a very specific salt, okay? But if you don't have this, you can just use whatever salt you have at home. So it's a Maison. Look at that. And this is special for grilling. And our smoke paper. So yeah, that's it. That's just this pepper and that salt. And because this pepper is really in a big chunk, so I usually put here, and just, you know, that this is like enough for my meat. And smash it. Oh, huh? So now I put my salt too. I put my salt too. It's like balance. There you go. There you go. Now it's time to rub it to my beautiful pork chop. There you go. So just do like that. Yeah, and this it's there's like a smoke taste that makes your lamb chop really tastier and yummy. So that's it. Just this one, salt and pepper. Okay, and then just turn it around and make sure you put it on the other side too. There. See? Lamb chop. And this is me, I told you. There you go. So that's my lamb. So I grilled that one on the very end. Okay. So, okay. So my lamb chop is ready. So I just gonna cover it and put it aside on the fridge for now. And put it in the fridge. Then I just take out an hour before I can grill it. There you go, guys. So it's ready. For the salad, I just use this lettuce. So like, you know, at least they have greens, right? Or vegetables. So yeah. So and then they usually don't like so much thing on their salad. They just want simple dressing. So they just want apple cider vinegar on it, salt and pepper, and olive oil. That's what they want. That's it. So it's really simple. So you know. So yeah. So I just gonna wash this, and then later on it's gonna be dry, and yeah, just salt it. As soon as it's boiled like that, turn it off and drain it. And that's my roasting pan. Voila! And mix it properly. No, it smells so good. This one, mix it up with everything. And I roast it for 25 to 30 minutes. That's it. Are you speaking now? Okay, look. Just salt and pepper. Yeah. Apple cider vinegar. Yeah. And olive oil.
Ooh, my salad.
Yeah.
Is this my salad?
Yep. There you go. And just shake, 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 and that's ready for their salad. And look who's here. Why your eyes is red? Lamb chop.
Lamb chops?
So yep, I'm gonna warm.
Lamb sauce?
Yeah. So yeah, I usually little bit of that's oil. Supposed to spray it before I heat up the stove. So just little bit oil. So that's fine. Potato, and it's almost ready. So I have to start my lamb now. So I grill the lamb. Ayun, you guys can see it properly. There you go. So like you can like it's very easy. It goes like this. On this house. But everything on this house, because even in winter we can still do barbecue. Look at that. It's ready. You know, you can let it sit for like another 10 minutes. And that. This is also already. Yeah, and then after you grill them, you can let it sit for another 10 minutes. Yeah, the is ready, and my lamb chop is ready, and my salad is ready, and my salad is ready. Now it's time to go have dinner. That's it. But you can take like for 15 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna let it sit for like 10 minutes. Liam, come on, dinner's ready. So yeah guys, that's it. So yep, dinner is ready. So I'm gonna plate. Yeah, I'm gonna plate it now for these kiddos, which is very lucky kids in the world. Look, I'll put this for Liam. Roasted potato, and I just gonna do like this because our salad is not that much. There you go guys, this is my plate. I mean, this is Liam's plate, but look at that. Yeah, I hope you like this video guys, and until the next cooking. Yes, thank you so much. Bye.